Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no control in me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up, cause enough is enough.
What's up, everybody? So check it out. Today our non-sponsor is coming from Black Rifle Coffee Company. Got a new hat, and I told you about this in one of my last videos, but this here is an espresso with cream. Yeah, American company here. It's got a says 100% Colombian coffee. Yeah, so we're going to have ourselves a little bit of this bad boy. But yeah, check it out. So today we've got this new addition to the shop and to the channel. Now, after this TW purchase right here, I decided I wasn't gonna buy anything else, right? So here's the deal. We are going to try to look for some used motorcycles. Now, this is something that we're going to maybe start doing on the channel, where we are going to start looking for used bikes, used four-wheelers, maybe some used snowmobiles, something that runs, something that might not run, something that might need just a little bit of work. And we're gonna work on trying to either flip these motorcycles, or in the future, we may be looking into some giveaways. Now, the only way I'm gonna be able to do that is if you like and subscribe to the channel. Well, subscribe to the channel, first of all. Watch some videos. Maybe like some of the videos, share some of the videos on social media. Check out our Instagram, ScatterDad11. But that's enough of that. Let's get into this bike. So right here, this is a 1989 CR80. Now, I just took some graphics off of this bad boy. I just pulled it into the garage, got it home. We are going to, first things first, there's a little bit of gas smell. I can already tell it's just bad gas. So just by the smell of it, I'm thinking that there was some bad gas in here. So just to be on the safe side, we're gonna drain this gas tank. We're gonna put some fresh gasoline in it. Next up, we are going to take off the spark plug wire. We are going to check to see if there's a spark. We're gonna pull the spark plug, check the condition of the spark plug. When we turn the gas back on, after draining it, we are going to check the flow into the carburetor. And then we're gonna go from there. We're gonna try to fire this thing up. I got my compression tester. We're gonna check the compression after some of this. Now keep in mind, I've got this, I don't know if you can see it, but right here, I've got this YZ80. In fact, here, check this out. We'll just show you here. Right here, I've got this YZ80. I put a new top end, new piston, new sleeve, new everything on this. We are going to double check that. And we are going to see if, well, basically, I could just do that right here, but compression-wise, this thing, compared to, well, that doesn't even have an exhaust put on it, but that thing, compared to this, it feels like it has some fairly good compression. So, yeah, let's get this party started. I'm going to probably throw some tunes up because I need to turn my air conditioner back on. It is hot in here. We're gonna try to cool it down a little bit while I do this work. I don't know how much work I'm gonna show you, but if I get a chance, I'll kind of bust out the camera, start filming some stuff, If I need to talk, maybe I'll do that. But anyways, in the meantime, yeah, let's just take a little overview look at this thing real quick. 1989 Honda CR80. So here we go. New addition to the channel. Let's see if we can get this thing fired up. Anyways, on that note, can anybody take a guess on what I paid for this thing? Now, if you already know, you don't need to comment how much I paid, but just make a comment on the video. But take a guess on what I paid for this 1989 Honda CR80, and it is what is it? It is July 2022.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like